Yes. How many have joined? Only 19. Yeah. Good afternoon, children. How are you?
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Yeah. Good
ma'am.
afternoon. Who is it? Yeah. All of you switch on your videos. Okay. Let me see your face. All of you should switch on your videos. Right? Who is speakers? You switch off. Switch off your speakers. Children, switch off your speakers. Switch off the speakers. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Don't be late. You can join earlier.
Good morning, ma'am.
Efria, Afrin, Mehul, switch on your video.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Not good morning, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon. So today, anyway, our chapter is over. By last class, the topics in that chapter is over. Okay. So today we'll revise what all things we have studied in that chapter, right from the beginning. So let me ask you one by one what all things you have understood. Okay. Yeah. Yes, I can see your faces. Asim, Nabil, a warrior is there. Where is your face? I can't see you. Switch on the video. Instead of you, Asim, Nabil. Yeah, I want to see you, not any picture. Okay. Yes. Okay. Let me ask this. Nigel John Prasad. Nigel. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Nigel, do you remember what all things we studied in previous class? Tell me, beginning. Lines, angles and all you leave. From complementary angles we can start. What do you mean by complementary angles?
If we get 90 degree.
Okay, good. When the sum of two angles, if we get 90 degree, you have to say the sum of two angles is
Add.
90 degree. We can say they are complementary angles. Very good. Okay. Now, Sarang. Sarang. Yes. Sarang, tell me, what are supplementary angles? Hello? Sarang, can you hear me? Say loudly, say loudly. I cannot hear you. Sound is not, it's not audible. What are supplementary angles? That's the question. Sarang.
The sum of two angles that are 180 degree.
Very good, very good. Okay, if sum of two angles make 180 degree, then we can call them as supplementary angles. Very good. Okay, next I'll call Priyana. Priyana. Your full name is... Okay. Priyana, tell me what is a linear pair? What is a linear pair? What is a linear pair? No answer? Priyana. Linear pair, what is it? No answer. No. Next. Now, Asim, tell me, what is a linear pair? No. No. Alina, what is a linear pair? Forgot everything?
Ma'am, can
Yes, Dion. Hello, we are getting ready. Dion,
Yes.
what is
Yes.
a linear pair? Linear pair. You cannot look, you have to tell me. Agash. No answer?
Ma'am,
A
can I?
linear pair is a pair of adjacent angle
whose non-common sides are equal.
Okay. Adjacent angles? No?
No,
If a pair of adjacent angles,
non-common sides are opposite.
non-common
that is
sides
the
are
definition of linear pair. What is the angle made by both angles? What is the angle made by the linear pairs?
180 degree.
180 degree.
degree.
Very good. Okay. Avanish Krishna. Okay. Yeah. And your Agash. Next one is, next I'll call Afrin. Afrin. Hello. Can you hear me? Afrin.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Afrin, how many angles are formed when it, next we studied about transversal, isn't it? What is a
Yes.
transversal?
When a line cut by a when a line cut to two parallel line, it is called a transversal.
No. If a line,
And some disturbances are coming.
disturbances are coming, others switch off your audios, switch off your speakers. When two lines are intersected by another line at two different points, or if the lines, two or more lines are intersected by another line at different points, that line is known as a transversal. Okay, how many angles are formed next? Next is, yes, Jagan Krishna. Next one, Jagan Krishna. How many angles are formed when a transversal intersects two lines?
4 angles.
How many angles are formed?
4 angles.
No.
2.
8 angles.
Eight angles is the correct answer. 8 angles are formed. Can you name them? What are the pairs of angles formed? Amrita, what are the different pairs of angles formed?
Corresponding angles.
Corresponding angles. Then I can't hear you. Alternate interior angles. Then next one.
May I?
Co-interior angles.
Co-interior angles. Very good. So Amrita is answering. Yeah. Next, Dia.
Ma'am.
We have studied
Yes, ma'am.
parallel lines. What do you mean by parallel lines? What are parallel lines?
When two lines does not meet at the point,
Okay.
go parallel
Called
is
a
called a
parallel lines.
parallel
Okay.
line.
Okay, good. When two lines does not meet each other, we call them as parallel, and they keep a fixed distance between
Parallel.
them. Always. Okay. Now next is Dev. Tell me. What is the specialty if a parallel line is cut by a transversal? Can you say 1 point? What is the rule? Two parallel lines, if two parallel lines are cut by the transversal, 8 angles are formed, isn't it? Or 4 pairs of angles are formed. So can you tell me any particular property of these angles?
They all are parallel.
No. When two parallel lines are cut by the transversal, then we studied yesterday. Day before yesterday we studied. Dave.
Ma'am, day before yesterday's and that last class I was not there.
See, we studied something about corresponding angles, no? When two parallel lines are cut by the transversal, what happens to corresponding angles? No answer? Yes, Mehul. Mehul. Mehul, tell me the answer. Mehul, not there? Yeah. Why are you keeping all these pictures over here? I want the video. Switch on the video. Mehul is gone. Now I'll put absent. Because Asim, tell me. Asim have answered. Okay, wait. Now Annette Rose. Annette, what about corresponding angles when two parallel lines, when a pair of parallel lines are cut by a transversal, what happens to corresponding angle?
Corresponding angles will be equal.
Good. Corresponding angles are equal. Okay. Corresponding angles will be equal. Now, next question is to Advait. Advait.
Ma'am.
What happens to alternate interior angles?
Ma'am.
Yeah. What happens to alternate interior angles? Will be?
Opposite.
Oh, no.
Unequal.
Alternate interior angles will become equal.
Unequal.
Huh?
Equal.
Equal. Nihal. Nihal. Next. Afriya, switch on your video.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Nihal. What about co-interior angles? What about co-interior angles when two parallel lines are cut by the transversal? Their co-interior angles are?
Equal.
No.
Huh?
Supplementary.
Supplementary, or they'll make 180 degree. Good. Okay. So it was,
Abhinav Manoj.
yes. Next one. Sarang came, answered. Fayuna. Okay. Fayuna, why are you laughing?
No, ma'am.
Yes?
No,
I
ma'am.
didn't say any joke here. Okay, what can you say when, how will you check the parallel lines? Next topic was about checking parallel lines, isn't it? About checking parallel lines. So,
Ma'am.
how will you check when two lines are given? How will you check whether it is parallel or not? You are given a transversal also.
Ma'am, it is not intersection.
Yes? I can't hear you. Payuna.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me how will you check whether the lines are parallel or not?
Ma'am, it is intersection.
Hello, I cannot hear you.
Ma'am, someone is speaking in between.
Who is kicking in between? See, stop your audios. Stop the audio, children. Only whom I am asking should answer me. Okay. Yeah, Fayuna, answer it.
Ma'am, it will be equal in measure.
Corresponding angles are equal in measure. Second condition, Mariam. Mariam, second condition. Yes, I can't hear you.
It will never touch.
What about the alternate interior angles? How will you select that? How will you decide that the lines are parallel?
Ma'am, when
Not studying?
They will be equal in measure.
They will be equal in measure. Who said? Mariam, did you say?
no, ma'am, the
No. No. Okay. So, Mariam didn't answer. Next one, we'll go to Azad. Azad, where are you sitting? Are you hearing me? You're away from the Camera. Come on. I said, what is the third condition? Third condition.
Third condition.
What is the third condition?
Will never touch each other.
I am asking about last condition. We told about corresponding angles, about alternate interior angles. Then what is the next type of angles? Third type of angles formed. What is it? No answer? Is
No.
it? Next, Azira Fatima. Azira, where are you? I cannot see. Next set. Azira is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what is the next set of angles called? We told corresponding angle. We told alternate interior angle. What is the next set of angles called?
Co-interior angles.
Huh?
Co-interior angles.
Co-interior angles. Very good. Co-interior angles. What will be co-interior angles? When two parallel lines are cut by the transversal, co-interior angles will be
180 degree.
180 degree or supplementary, isn't it? These were the conditions we have studied before. Clear? Now, I'll be asking you some questions now. Based on this rules, I'll be asking some questions. You have to answer. Clear? Okay. So these questions you can write down in your rough note. These are the problems which we are doing. And I'll be calling one by one and asking you to answer. Clear? The assessment also I'll be doing like this. This is only a model of the assessment which I am going to do. Okay. Yes. So listen, I am going to share the screen. Yeah. First question is, what is the complement of 20 degrees? What is the complement of 20 degrees?
Ma'am, you need
Yes,
random
so-
answer or you will ask to anybody?
Hello. Shiv Krishna. Shiv Krishna. What is the complement of 70 degree? You can take a paper, you can take the rough book and calculate and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, you ask the opposite.
What is the complement of 20 degree? Question. Shiv Krishna. Why no response? Not hearing? Okay, Suraja, can you answer?
Yes, ma'am, 70 degree.
Answer is 70 degree. Why 70 degree came?
Because complementary angle is an angle formed by 90 degree and according to 20 is equal to 90 minus 20 is equal to 70 degree.
Complementary angles are, the sum of the complementary angles will be 90 degree, isn't it? So
Yes.
one angle is given 20, the remaining will be 90 minus 20. That is 70
70
degree.
degree.
Okay, good. So, Suraja, okay. Next is Sharanya. Sharanya, I have to see. Sharanya. Yes. Okay, Sharanya. What is the complement of 63 degree angle? What is the complement of 63 degree angle? Can you hear me? Yes? You have no reaction? Sharanya? No answer. Yes, Sarang, Shashidharan. Are you here? Sarang. All of you, be this Priyanna Rose, Ebin Anthony, Priya. Video. Switch on your video. Okay, Ebin Anthony, tell me. Ebin. What is the complement of 63 degree angle? complement of 63-degree angle? Just now I explained what is complementary angle and how to find the complementary angle. I can't hear you. Ephria? Yes, Ephria. Not there? Ephria not there? No. Faisal. Who is Faisal? Faisal is there? No. Felix Roy?
Ma'am, 27 degree.
Who is answering? Felix is answering? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me check. Okay. Not see you. Yes, Felix. What is the answer told?
27 degree.
27 degree. 63 degree is the complement of 27 degree because 63 plus 27 will get 90 degree. Isn't it? Okay. Next question is to Arav. Arav. Hello? Arav. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hear me? Yes, ma'am. Now only you are keeping your earphone, headset. Now you can hear. What is the supplement of 105 degree? What is the supplement of 105 degree? Take your rough book with you, pencil and rough book with you. Calculate and tell me the answer. Fast. Supplement of 105 degree. So nobody is there? Huh? Where is the answer?
75.
75 degree. Okay. Arav. Arav had answered. Yes, 75 degree is the answer. How did you get the answer? Tell me. Arav. Neha, tell me what is the supplement of 105 degree? Neha.
75.
75. How did you get 75?
180 minus 105.
Good. 180 minus 105, you will get 95 degree. Okay. Nihal PN. Where is Nihal PN?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Nihal, tell me the supplement of 87 degree. Supplement of 87 degree.
87?
Degree.
87 degree.
Yes.
So it's equal to, ma'am, it's equal to 93 degree, ma'am.
Answer is?
93.
93 degree. Good. Answer is 93 degree. Okay. Then Manish. Manish is here. Every day he used to be there. Manish, where are you? Absent today? Okay. Gautam CR. Gautam. Hello? Are you here? Gautam CR. No. No. So absent. Chris Mary Benny. Chris Mary Benny. I am not seeing these people for so long time. Chris, absent.
I'm Chris Mary moved to another school.
Okay. Azara Fatima.
Yes, ma'am.
Azara is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, can you tell me the answer of this question? That is Question is this: what is the angle which is equal to its complement? What is the angle which is equal to its complement? Can you tell me? Azra. What is the question? Question is complementary angles they are equal. So what is the angle? What is the measure of the angle? Such an angle. That is the question.
180 degree.
No. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. 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 Both are equal. Complementary angles they are and they are equal. What will be the measure of each angle? That is the question.
90 degree.
No. Total 90 degree. Then how each
Ma'am,
will
I
be
know.
90?
Can I answer?
Okay. Who is it? Who is it?
Suraja.
Okay. Okay. Suraja, what is the answer?
45 degree.
45
45.
degree. Okay. Why 45 degree? Can you explain?
Yes, because you told that the both
Both are
complement are equal.
good.
So
Both
45
are
plus 45 is equal to 90.
90, isn't it? So,
Yes, ma'am.
question is this. Question is not explained like that. Question will be like this. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. Answer is 45 degree because 45 plus 45 makes 90 degree. Okay. Next is, I want this Shiva Krishna. I am not getting. Dion Xavier is there. Dion. Afrain Yami. Afrain. No, I'm going to cancel.
Yes,
these
ma'am.
people. Afrain, where is?
Yes, ma'am.
Then tell me the answer.
Question.
Yeah. Question is, find the angle which is equal to its supplement. Just now we explained about complementary angles. Now what will be the angle which is equal to its supplement?
90 degree.
Because 90 plus 90 makes 180.
180
Good.
degree.
Okay, very good. Now, next one, it is next question. Abhinav Aji. Abhinav Aji is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Abhinav Aji?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, what have you studied about vertically opposite angles? What about vertically opposite angles? You have studied a rule about vertically opposite angles. What is it? Loudly. No answer.
No, ma'am.
Next one, Abhinav Manoj. Abhinav Manoj is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer.
Vertically opposite angles means common angles and one common angle.
Power is gone.
time to stop the class. Okay. Now we'll start
Yes,
the
ma'am.
lesson in the next class. Okay, bye.
Okay,
Bye,
thank you.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.